One day, in a beautiful forest, there lived two mischievous monkeys named Manto and Chanchal. Both monkeys were playful and clever, always coming up with new ways to play tricks. Manto, being the older one, often led Chanchal into his clever mischiefs. One day, Manto said to Chanchal, "Let's climb the tallest tree in the forest today and drop fruits for fun." Chanchal happily agreed, and the two monkeys ran towards the tree. When they reached the top of the tree, they saw a donkey standing below, searching for food. Manto whispered to Chanchal, "Let's drop a fruit on that donkey's head and see what he does." Chanchal, feeling a bit scared, said, "But what if he gets angry?" Manto laughed and replied, "No, he won't do anything. Just watch." Manto picked up a large fruit and threw it down. The fruit hit the donkey on the head, and he looked up in surprise. Manto and Chanchal laughed as they watched. Manto then dropped another fruit, increasing the donkey's confusion. They continued to annoy the poor donkey this way. Then one day, Manto had another mischievous idea. He said, "Let's have some fun with the mice in the forest." The two monkeys went near the mice's burrows and started making loud chattering noises to scare them. The mice got frightened and ran away, and the other animals watched in surprise. The king of the jungle, an elephant, saw them and said, "Manto and Chanchal, what are you doing? Your tricks are disturbing the other animals." Manto and Chanchal laughed and said, "We're just having fun." The elephant, now angry, replied, "This is not the right way to have fun. You'll face consequences for this." The elephant gathered all the animals and decided that Manto and Chanchal should help the other animals in the forest instead of bothering them. All the animals were angry and upset with the monkeys. A few days later, Manto and Chanchal came up with another prank. Manto said, "Let's go to the little birds' nests and disturb them." When they reached the nests, they saw the birds resting after a long day's work. Chanchal suggested, "We should sneak in and steal their food." Manto laughed and said, "Yes, that would be fun." But as they tried to steal the birds' food, the birds woke up and saw them. The birds called their friends, and together they began to chase the monkeys. Within moments, Manto and Chanchal realized they were surrounded. The birds said, "Now you must learn a lesson. It's not right to play tricks." The monkeys felt ashamed of their actions and apologized to all the animals. The Elephant King and other animals decided to teach them a lesson by giving them the task of helping the animals in the forest. After that, Manto and Chanchal were assigned to clean the forest, where they had to pick up litter and collect fallen fruits. As they began this work, they realized they shouldn't trouble others, and they decided never to annoy anyone again. Once the entire forest was clean, all the animals were happy and thanked Manto and Chanchal. This encouraged the monkeys, and they felt proud to have helped the forest animals. From that day on, all the animals lived happily together, and Manto and Chanchal became good friends to everyone.